But look at you now. Look at you now, serenading your, your woman, treating her as if she's the greatest thing in the world. That was never taught. So you learn along the way. And I think that process is one of the greatest experiences.
And what has been her involvement in your own success? Because it says behind every great man is an even better woman.
She was there from the start. She was always the loudest person in the room. She's always the one crying when everybody's not. Oh man, she's just been there from the get-go. Even though when we started, I mentioned the choosing medicine, not choosing medicine, choosing full-time. She was one of them who would say, if God said this, fine. You know, it may be a challenging foundation, challenging few years, but she would like, I'm right here. And she wasn't my wife then. I'm right here with you. I'll pray with you. I'll give you the strength you need. Whatever you need, I'm right here. She was one of them that was there from the get-go when nobody knew what was inside of me.
And you have another female in your life. Talk to us about your beautiful daughter.
Oh gosh, Amanda.
Amanda.
Oh, she's a light. She light up any room. She's singing better than me now already, and she's 5. Let me say that again. She's singing better than her daddy at 5 years old. Anything I do, I've done a few events where she would introduce her daddy. The last event I did was when she said, stand on your feet and welcome my mommy's husband, Kevin Downswell. She's everything. As a father, as a man, having a daughter, Lord Jesus, yo, you can't shout, you can't have that. There comes another opportunity to grow and to become something you were never taught. Because I grew up like this, you know, baba, yada, ba, ba, ba. No, you can't do that to a baby girl. A baby girl is, if you ever raise your voice one time, she cries. And so you have to learn how to do things and how to guide her in a complete different way. So she's changing me. Every single day she's changing me.
You have a very busy schedule. How do you balance family time plus ministry?
Knowing what's priority. And they are my number one. I don't care how much you applaud me. I don't care how big the opportunity is. I don't care how big the stage is. They are my biggest stage. When I'm with them, there's no greater joy, man. I don't care. Listen, the greatest presidents, give me a call. But if I'm supposed to be with my family, I'd say thank you. But I'm with my girls now. That is, my family is everything. We've been through much. I'm sitting here and I'm like, look where God has brought us to. Nothing can replace my family. And I would say this to anybody. Don't chase to the place where you get there and you're alone. Make sure you have somebody to celebrate with when you get to where you're going.